looking ahead, if examiner give you no instructions, you staying on the which side of the lane?
Left.
So looking from here, what can you see? What is the left lane telling you? What arrows type there? What are the arrows there?
What other arrows are there?
Look at the left. What are the arrows in the left lane?
Pointing left.
So, are we going left or are we going no? If examiner give you no instruction, we're staying on which lane?
Oh, so we're staying in this one.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah, yeah.
How easily done, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because what the instruction examiner give it to you, if I give you no instructions, you follow the road ahead unless the road signs end. But this time, the marking on the road telling us the left lane is only for
left turning.
So we're staying on this lane. This is another mistake people normally tend to do. They're staying to the left lane.
Yeah. Is that them calling again?
Yeah. Now, going forward, this is important. Again, keep an eye on the road markings. I'm giving you no instructions. There's 2 lanes there. We're staying on which lane now?
We're staying on this lane that way.
No, look at your left. Go in there now.
Left.
Signal to the left for me. Cancel your signal. We have to signal because we're changing our lane. But this time, what is the right lane is for?
Just for right turn.
And this lane is for?
Ahead out left.
So this is why I said in your first lesson when you started, when you're driving, look as far as your
Eyes can see, yeah.
Would you remember this?
Yeah.
Yeah, remember this forever, please.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to be turning left at the traffic light.